Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a box that I'm after buying and receiving this week. And this is the November version of the box, and the box that I have is the KAWAII box. And can we just start by saying that the branding on this is so uber duper cute. It is very kawaii. The price I paid for this box was $17.50 including shipping. So straight away when you open up the box, it has all of these really cute details. It lets you know that it's a cuteness overload, which yeah it is. It also says the perfect tips for unboxing. Document by taking pictures and selfies. Share it with the world and smile. Which I think is something really sweet. They don't need to put in those cute little details, but they do. And it really adds to the experience. It is so cute. What I have written here is that it includes 8 items. And I thought when I saw this that the items would be really small. They're a really nice size for what they are. And I don't know how they shoved it all into one really small box. Because look at it, it's so thin. The first thing I'm going to bring out, I can't pronounce it properly, but I'm going to bring it out anyway, and that is this plushie, and it's called TECHI GOMARACHI plushie. And as you can see, it's this pink little seal, and she has a teeny tiny bow, and she is stinking cute. And on the tag here you can see that you could have gotten different options, and I'm not sure if they were going to include different options or different color variants, but whatever reason I got a pink one, and I'm really happy that I got her. She's so sweet and she's so soft. And she's little blushing marks and really nice quality. It's a little Amuse plush, and she can go into my little collection. I have a few bunnies and I have a few albacassos. You know, I'm obsessed with Amuse. Anything they bring out, you know, give it to me. Like, please send me to Japan so I can buy just like big Amuse plushies. And then the next thing that I have from this box is the KANAHEI string bag, and it comes wrapped in plastic again like the last item, but I have them already opened because I was so excited to see them. And again, this is officially branded, which is fantastic. I've seen this character before, but I don't know where. I feel like it's lined and you have all these little doodles on the inside. I'm not quite sure why there's doodles. Maybe they're different designs you could have gotten, but again, it's really cute. And this is really soft fabric, and they're flipping some pancakes. It is so cute, and it's really nicely embroidered on here, and on the inside it's lined, so I'm not quite sure what you could put in here. Maybe you could bring it swimming, or you could have it as a toiletries bag. And it has these little drawstrings, and you can hang it up somewhere in your bedroom, or you can hang it up somewhere in your toilet. And I really like this, and it feels like a full-size item even though it's such a small box. So I'm really happy to have this. So the next item that I'm going to bring out is GUDE stickers. And oh my god, am I obsessed with GUDE. If I could get everything GUDE, I would. I love him. He's one of my favourite Sanrio characters. So here's the stickers. So it's actually GUDE, and he's at the fair. He's looking at the carnival, and you get so many little stickers, and it's just really sweet. And I think it has some Korean up along the top here. I'm not quite sure, don't quote me on that. But they're clear see-through stickers, and they'd be nice for your phone or on your laptop, or even sticking on little notepads. I'm really happy to have some official merch. The next item that I have in this box is some RAMUNE candy, and it just has a little dog on it, and he's got a see-through panel, and you can see all the little candies inside. It looks like some kind of chalk candies. The next that I'm bringing out is one I'm holding in my hand this whole video because I keep messing with my hands when I'm speaking. So this is a really cute little pen, and it says, "Can you keep a secret?" in English, which I think is a bit random, but I'm in love. And it has this really cute boot with a really cute little face on it, and you take the boot off and then you have a little pen. And I think it's really cute and really sweet, and I really like it. So then that brings us on to our next item. What do you need when you have a boot pen? You might need a little notepad, and this is Let's Go mini notebook. And I said very good quality. So this is so sweet, and I feel it's so traditionally Japanese because they even include a little cover on it, and it has this little doodle of a little girl, and I can't think of the character that's on her head. I think it's Doraemon. I'll write the name here. He's a very popular children's character, and I just think this book is really sweet. I love this cover on the outside, and the page colour is just a kind of pastel kind of cream, and it's very lightly lined, which I really like. And it gives you the opportunity to write in the dates at the top. It just says a date, and then it has a little space for you. So if you want to make this your diary, you can do that too. And I'm actually really worried to start writing in this because I don't want to ruin it, because it's actually so cute. So I'm actually so happy to get this. Is anybody else just obsessed with stationery? I keep buying notebooks and I keep buying sketchbooks and I just never use them. I just have them in my room. It's very cute. I really like this. So the next item that I'm going to bring out, these are food hair clips and they're called HARAJUKU hair clips. I suppose maybe they bought them in Harajuku somewhere, and you get a toast that says tastes good, you get some green lemonade, and you get some kind of yellowy thing saying butter, but it looks like peanut butter. 10 out of 10 for English mistakes. I really appreciate it. And they're little pins and you can stick them into your hair, and I maybe might wear these for the next video because I've got another kind of cute box coming in the post. I'm glad that we got 3 of them instead of just 1. I feel like it's a nice little set to have. And then the very last item we have some DECO diamonds, and it just says on the back here you can stick them in letters, you can use it for collage, wrapping paper, decorations, or decorations for your notebook. And you just get all these different sized gems, and I don't really know what to do with them right now. I think I might stick them on my face sometime, you know, for a cute makeup look, or I might stick them on some notepads, and I really like this. I think it's super cute. So the last few things that you get are these 2 little leaflets of paper, and the first one that you get lets you know that you can share KAWAII box with your friends with a referral code, and then you can get $5 off your next box, which is really cool. Then you get the official card, and it has these little doodles of all the really kawaii characters and says thank you. And then on the back you have an explanation of all the items that you're gonna get, and again it has a little GUDE TAMA and then a little character and then another little Amuse character, and I think the whole idea of this box is really great. That's it for the box, and it just says see you again next month, and it's really cute. The big note that I want to mention is that this box is only €17.70, and a lot of these boxes are going for 30, 20 euro, and I think it's fantastic to kind of have something that's in a price range that could be their pocket money for the month, and I think it's really sweet, especially if your children are really into cute things, or you know, if you're really into cute things. You don't have to be a child. I'm clearly not a child, I'm a 20-year-old woman, but I'm still really into cutesy things. This video wasn't sponsored, this is something I bought with my own money, and I'm really happy with the value of the items that I got in the box. If you want to see that box again, do let me know. I'd have no issue doing that again. If you like this series, do let me know. I have another unboxing series, kind of just like little things that I've gotten, and I'll put it in the link here, and I do try and get a different kind of range of boxes. If you're interested in seeing more of me between the time I upload my videos, I have a Twitter that I post on a lot, kind of more about anime. I talk about anime, and then I have an Instagram that I post on a lot, which is like selfies and makeup looks that I do, cosplay makeup, all that kind of thing. So if you're interested, I'll leave them here. They're also at the very end of the video on a little card with me going like this. So I'll see you again next week, guys. Bye!